Hello guys, welcome to the another video. In this particular video, I've just got a delivery today. So this is the box for that. So guys, this is a car washer named as Hydroshot Cordless power pressure washer, 64 volts, powerful 6-in-1 rotatable nozzle. This is how exactly it looks like in Amazon. You can purchase this for around 5,000 in a deals. You can crack it from 4,500 to 5,000. I have made a purchase of for about 4,723 as of today. So this particular pressure washer, the best part is I have just gone through the review. The only one thing I have just liked it because it has 6-in-1 nozzle. That is the reason I have ordered it. Let me just go ahead and quickly unbox this for you. Okay, so here you go. I am going ahead and unboxing. This is how exactly it comes inside the box, guys. As you can see, the price I have purchased it for 4,723 rupees. That's it. Okay, let me just put it aside. So this comes with this particular nice box, guys, for carrying. So this is around, you can check it out like how long it is. So this is how exactly the box. It's big enough to have complete components. I'm keeping it the box aside. That's it. Nothing much. So I think this is what exactly it is to open. So let me just go ahead and quickly go ahead and open it for you. So this is how exactly you need to open. Take out the particular clips, and there you go. So guys, you can literally witness there are like a lot of components out there. I would just like review one by one what exactly it comes with. The first particular part is the microfiber cloth for washing purpose. Guys, these guys have really great to give a microfiber cloth to clean the car. So that is a great choice. So I'm keeping it the microfiber aside inside inside the box. And then here like for the washing purpose, right, you can put it your hand inside this and you can literally go ahead and or post shampooing your car, you can literally use it to clean it. So this is what exactly you get along with this. So this is called as a microfiber, like a scrubber basically used in. So it's a double-sided one, so that's a really great choice. Keeping it aside, the next part, okay, the main interesting part is you're gonna get a user guide. So nothing but an instruction where you would have the complete instruction what exactly this particular power pressure washer is all about. So you can literally go ahead and read out like the manual. You can pause the video and check out all the parts of it. Okay, let me just quickly go ahead and put this particular user manual aside. Now guys, the main thing comes, I'm going to talk about the cordless battery. Guys, this is a cordless battery. So you already know that this is a 64 watts. This is from like XOYO I call it as Turbo Tools. So this is from that particular brand. So I literally checked out the reviews. That's the reason I've got it. It's really big enough. You can see like in my hand how I'm holding it. So yeah, this is how exactly is the batteries. Let me put it aside for now. Now comes the shampooing bottle, guys. So this is nothing but the bottle to go ahead and shampoo. I believe this is about 300 ml. I'm not sure, maybe it is 250 ml. So it is not that useful. I believe like you may, if you are an extensive washer, you may be required to go ahead and purchase some 500 to 1 liter of the shampoo bottle. But yeah, this is enough for me. So comes along with this. You can literally check out the size, which you can see like what I'm talking about. It's 250 ml maybe. Keeping it aside again, so now comes the water filter, guys. So this is nothing but a normal sort of a plastic like small glass it looks like, guys. So it comes with that particular mesh inside it. So this is called as a water filter, so that the dirt should not go while that particular machine is sucking the water. I'm keeping it aside. So this is how exactly the water filter is. Let me keep it aside. Now comes, I think this is some attachment to this particular water washer. I'm keeping it aside. Now comes the charger to go ahead and charge the battery. Guys, you can see this is all exactly the nozzle. Okay, this is all exactly the battery. So this is like, you can literally see this supports output capacity is 21 volts. So input it can takes a normal electricity, of course. Okay, the next particular thing is the main thing I would like to talk about. The extensions comes along with this. So guys, this is that extension which which I wanted it badly. That's the reason I've ordered this. So it has like some 6-in-1 nozzles, guys. So each and every nozzle has a capacity. This is basically useful for the flowering purpose. It's a 0 degree. Another one is a 15 degree, so that the pressure would go 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and if you wanted in a splash it can go ahead and do that. So this is what exactly that particular nozzle is. This is also another nozzle which comes, like, you can attach it and you can attach it to the particular like machine. So guys, I'm keeping it aside. The next part, I would like to go ahead and take out the main important thing is the pipe. Guys, this is pipe. I think it's about 2 to 3 meters of pipe, which is long enough to like keep it inside a bucket. Comes in a silver color. So you know what, I'm trying to press it and show you from here. So this is all exactly, this is something really hard. I really like the quality of the pipe, no doubt about it. Okay, so this is again another additional connector which would go along with this. This is a box, nothing else apart from the machine now. So we're going to go ahead and open the machine. So guys, let me go. This is exactly the machine. Let me go ahead and take it out. White in color I've ordered because I like the white in color. So guys, this is a high pressure water gun. Okay, this is completely a cordless. You can literally see the branding, portable cleaning machine pro cut. This is the item number for that, and you can see here is the pipe suction where you can literally hold the pipe, and here from here you would get a pressure. So this is the switch, really great. Here is the battery attachment you usually attach. Let me go ahead and attach it first and show it to you. One moment, please. So there you go. This is how exactly the battery is. I hope this is visible now for you. You can literally check out the battery like this. It can go ahead and hold this. That's it. You would have it like this, guys. That's it. It has been attached. Now this comes along with the battery. Okay, now if I just show you if it is working or not, you can literally see the sound. It is working, guys, but I am actually smelling some heating smell, but I don't know. But yeah, I think it's a common sort of a thing. This is all exactly the unboxing video which I would like to tell you guys. The next part would be to go ahead and review this particular machine, like what exactly the capacity of the pressure. I'm going to have a dirt car where I'm going to use it to go ahead and show you in terms of cleaning. I have also got a shampoo for that. I would take another review. So I've got a shampoo from Shine Pro, which gives a really hot snowfall shampoo sort of a thing. So I've just got it. So I'm going to go ahead and use it, show you the complete review about this. So thank you guys. Stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and start testing towards it. Thank you. I am going to unbox the 300 ml Shine X Pro car shampoo, guys. So this is a bubble wash car snow foam shampoo which I have literally purchased it from an Amazon. You can literally see it's a sealed pack, guys. It's completely filled. So it's 300 ml. So guys, you know what, I have purchased it from Amazon. This is how exactly it looks like. So it's a Shine X Pro 300 ml foam car wash shampoo concrete. I have purchased it a 300 ml for just 299. You can purchase 5 liter also, 2.7 liters, 2.7 liters, like that. You can literally go ahead and purchase that, guys. So Yeah, I mean, like it's available in Amazon. You can purchase it at a cheaper cost. Like if you just wanted to go ahead and test it, you can choose 300 ml and you can use it. It has been instructions has been said that you just need to use 10 ml out of 1 liter of water to produce a very good bubble wash snow foam. Let's see how it goes. I'm going ahead and literally using it. I have got my pressure washer today got delivered, so I just needed to go ahead and use it along with this. Here you can see, guys, this is my pressure washer which I've just got delivered today. So I'm going to use it along with this Shinex Pro. I've got the shampoo bottle too. So let me just go ahead and dissolve the component and let me see if it works really fine or not. Stay tuned, guys. So let me just go ahead and take just 10 ml, or maybe I would just take 5 ml of this shampoo, and I would go ahead and mix it. I would just insert it into the bottle, and I got the water too. Let me just go ahead and check this out a moment. So guys, I'm just cutting this. Let me just unseal this. I have unsealed this. I have went ahead and I have unsealed this, guys. So let me just go ahead and open the shampoo bottle. So exactly it looks like. Let me just go ahead and take this out. So guys, once we open our shampoo container in our pressure washer, this is how exactly it looks like. It comes with a straw pipe, so that we just go ahead and insert that. So let me just quickly pour some quantity inside this. Guys, I believe that I have just inserted just 5 ml of the component, not much. I just wanted to test whether this is really good, even if I just go ahead and use just 5 ml of that, whether it would be fine or not, because it's a small bottle. So that's the reason I thought I would just use it. So let me just add the water to it now. So let me just quickly go ahead and add the water to it. As you can literally see, okay, there you go. I have added the water. I have completely filled. Let me just go ahead and properly seal it. So guys, our bottle is ready. You can literally check it out. I have completely went ahead and I have used it. So now I would just go ahead and start testing. So guys, this is what. The bottle is done. So guys, this is what exactly it is. I don't know whether you are able to see it or not due to the light conditions. You can literally check out my car condition right now. It's completely messed up. So I'm going to go ahead and clean it. So there you go. I've just got a bucket of water over here. Now I'm going to prepare it properly, and first I would just go ahead and clean the car, and then I will go ahead and shampoo the car, and then again I will clean it, wipe it. Okay. After cleaning the shit, this is how exactly the car looking like. Not that great results according to me, but yeah.